Alright, I'm getting proof of them actually not even being in a valid lobby right now. So I'm gonna click, it says that they don't have a valid session. This is both Strofix and Cons. We just played first map and we beat them 6-2, 6-3. We have proof of that. And I'm gonna show you their profiles, how it doesn't have anything. We have no invites right now. I'll show you in a sec. They haven't invited us. We just finished our first game. No activities for Concision. And you go to Strofix. I just sent them a message also. Go to Strofix. There are no activities. These kids are just not even playing it. I don't know what they're doing. And then I'm going to show you the message real quick. I sent a message invite right now 1 minute ago. Because we just smacked them first map and they aren't inviting us to second map. So I'm going to let this video go. I don't know what these guys are trying to pull off, but it doesn't look like they want to play a second map. Yeah, we're just gonna sit here and wait because I don't know what's going on. Doesn't look like they want to play second or third map. It was not a one and done. It was best of 3. So we have not played second or third map. It is their host, and we beat them first map. So I'm trying to get proof of this. I don't know what they're trying to do. They're not even on the COD. Cause look, somebody's on COD. Like I'm gonna test this out. Somebody's on the game. Like probably this Evo kid. Join game. It'll do that. Join game session. Or it'll do something like. It'll do something like this. No, that's not it. It'll do. It'll say the game session is private or something like that. But these guys have no activities. So when I click on Strofix, does not have like a valid game session to join. So these guys do not want to host second map. I'm getting proof of this. Alright. I'm just still gonna record my friend. Alright. It's not even letting me join. I'm gonna go to game chat. I'm in the game chat right now. I'm gonna try to talk to this guy, see what he says. It's not going to game chat. Come on, man. This guy just left my session. He left. He closed the party. I'm still recording this just in case. We gotta prove this. These guys are a good team. Alright, so we just joined. They started a search and destroy. What are they doing? I do not know. I'm still recording, dude. I honestly don't want to see what these guys are trying to pull. I'm still gonna record this. It's 3 minutes of straight recording. I don't know what they're doing. They had 5 minutes in between matches. So what time did we finish that match? Yeah, well, since I'm recording, it's 3 minutes. It's definitely been more than 5, but I'm still gonna record. We're still gonna play it out though, cause we're not dicks. We're not gonna fucking dispute for the 5 minutes. I know. They're gonna end it. Then pretty sure he mean to start it, but. So we're just gonna sit here. I'm gonna delete the video if this isn't anything, but if I do post it, it's because they disputed. I'm just still gonna record just in case they try to like close the party and shit like that. So just gonna wait. Alright, let's see. So we're all in here. It's their host. We're gonna see what they're gonna do. It's their host right now. Still recording. Come on. Yo, I got 5 minutes of proof. If I get 5 minutes, do you wanna leave? Straight proof. Yeah, I'm getting 5 minutes of straight proof, and they got 15 seconds on my camera. Straight up. Do you want to leave in a sec? Come on. Alright. It's been almost 5 minutes. We're about to leave because these guys aren't starting the game. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. It's been past 5 minutes. They haven't started the game. As you can see, we're going to back out. Back out. Alright, please solve this dispute right. I have proof of everything. The messages telling them to invite me. They weren't on a game session, no activity. We just left the game. It's been more than 5 minutes. That is a dispute. We won. Thank you for your time. We're going to submit proof of first map and also this part. Thank you for your time. Bye.